what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, ready to dive into another item. I hope you're ready because today we've ended up getting a t-shirt from the Palace and Thrashers collab that came out last Thursday, I believe. Now before we review this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss out on any other items that I review. So today we ended up getting delivered. Palace delivered pretty fast too. They deliver fast, but I ended up getting a t-shirt from them. I ended up getting a white tee because by the time I got in, it was a little too late. So I ended up having time to still get a white tee, which I never had a Thrasher's tee, but I did always want one. They don't go for much, but since, you know, Palace was doing a Thrasher's collab, I'm like, why not? Let me just get my first Thrasher's tee as a collab with Palace. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got inside. This is the tee right here. It says Palace with the flames, and then in the bottom you'll be able to see the Thrashers logo. This is what I got. White, size medium, adding to the closet. Let's go ahead and open this up. Also came with the clear sticker. Seems like that's all I've been getting, but I got this clear sticker that's going to the sticker bag as well. Got the receipt. So I paid $48 for this tee. Like I said, white, medium, and it cost me $48. With shipping and everything, it came up to $60, so it was a $12 shipping fee. And they ship really fast. I like their shipping because you get that ASAP. Let's go ahead and review this tee. All right, so this is the Palace site. So this is what I ended up getting. I ended up getting this white Palace tee times Thrashers. They also had it in camo and like a gray color. They had it in black. The white one didn't sell out. Surprisingly. Gray still in small, camo completely sold out, white, small and medium, and black all sold out. That's the one that I originally wanted, the black one, but I logged in at like 11:03 and it was already sold out. Oh well, so I just ended up getting a white. So the whites are still available, small and medium. You can pay $48 plus tax $60 and be able to get one shipped. Now if you're over medium, then you might have to go to StockX or go to buy it there. The description says 100% thrash and burn. Technical details: 190 GSM jersey, 100% cotton. So these are 100% cotton. Let's see how much they're reselling for. The black one, 103 for the medium. You can place a bid. Last sale was 110. Here are the sizes for XL, large. You're basically paying just about double, a little bit over double for this if you buy it now. So this is what's available, the black one. White one, I mean, you don't really have to go here. It's still available. I thought it was sold out, but I guess not. It's still available, so you can get it for $48 from the Palace site. No need to go here to StockX. No need to go to Go. You still got it, but no need. See, if you got, see, nobody's selling it because it's still available in medium. But large, you can't get it. You got to put your offer up. But let me know if this is a good collab. Did you like this collab? It came out with sweaters as well, with like crew necks. Those sold out as well. Those was fire. If I would have grabbed one, it would have been this one. I would have got this one too. But I was like, let me just get a t-shirt, something light, you know. They got the shirts. They had the duffy, the duffel bag, the beanies. That's good. If you're medium or small, you can still grab this from the site. I'm sure pretty soon it'll probably even be sold out or taken off the site. As of now, if you're small or medium, you can still grab this. So let's go ahead and try this on. This is it right here. White Palace, you see the Palace flame, the Thrashers logo right underneath, 100% cotton. Something I wanted. Palace and Thrashers collab. Most of it sold out. White tee still available in small and medium. Let's go ahead and try this on, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think of this tee. Alright, so there'll be more items coming soon. This is going to my closet like everything else. You're gonna hear this all the time in all of my videos. It's gonna go in my closet. We're gonna break this out summertime. Lately I haven't been wearing anything. However, I will be wearing all my stuff as it gets gradually hotter. And that wraps it up for our item review, the Palace T times Thrasher's collab. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up please. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews, more item reviews, and I'll catch you in the next time. Peace guys, we out.